Hello everyone, this is a simple video on how to add a link or href, that is hyperlink, into your post. So suppose you are writing a post and you want to reference another web page into this page. So suppose I want to add read more option. Okay, like suppose there is some good articles on Wikipedia for the content that you're writing on. So you can you can do something like this. You can on, and then you can write here. So now this here I want to make it as a hyperlink. Okay, so whenever person clicks on this, he'll be redirected to that article. So what you can do is you can select this text here and then you can click on the link part. Okay, and then what you have to do is you have to just add the link whichever you want to show. Okay, so this is like wikipedia.com, and then you can tweak the text that needs to be shown from here. So suppose I want to write here as capital H, and then I can do it over here, and then you will see this has changed over here also. So that was very simple to do. So that's all for this video.